So today I'm going to show you the basic stitches of the Nordmøre embroidery, which is kind of an unknown custom to the more famous Hardanger embroidery. For this project I'm going to use fabric with 14 threads per centimeter. In the old days they used up to 22 threads per centimeter, and of course that gave a more delicate result. But 14 threads per centimeter is quite okay to start with. I'm using a 50/3 thread, which is kind of a medium thickness thread. Usually each stitch goes over 6, 8 or 10 threads in the fabric. And it goes one to the side, either left or right, depending on the pattern you're making for each stitch. I'm starting from the back side, counting 3, 4, 5, 6. Six threads in the fabric on the first stitch, leaving the end on the back side. I will attach that one later. Then I'm going one to the left for the old one, and one to the right. That should give me about that should give 8. And same over again. Which should give me a stitch over 10 threads now. And I go one to the left again. And now I go 6 back. 3, 4, 6. To the left again. That should bring this end to the middle of the 10 threads stitch. And I go one up and one to the left again. So I get another short one on 6 threads. Yet another one. Now I will expand in both directions, so I have 1/8. And again. I have 1/10. This. And now, after 5 stitches above each other, the end of the last 10 stitch should be straight above the end of the first 6 stitch, like this. And it should be over the middle of the previous 10 stitch, and so it goes on and on and on. This is like building Lego. Attach the loose ends on the back side of the embroidery. Just sew it just back and forward a couple of times like this. Make sure that you don't cross any of these empty fields with any threads. Don't take any shortcuts or anything, because you will just get in trouble for that later.